you. Economic freedom fighters.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. This past weekend, the economic freedom fighters, led by our President and Commander-in-Chief, Julius Malema, unveiled a newly built house for Mr. Sello Mamabolo in Shisheku Ward 30, who uses a wheelchair for mobility. This follows Mr. Mamabolo expressing his frustration to the Commander-in-Chief about his living conditions, particularly the difficulties he faced with mobility and accessibility. As a country, we do not have so many people living with disabilities that it should be impossible to ensure that all of them have dignified housing that allows for proper mobility. In reality, ministers who take their work seriously would treat this as a special project in their office, collect a register of all people living with disabilities and address their needs. This is not an impossible task. Why this is not happening is difficult to understand. If ministers are failing, the President should simply take this matter as a special project of the presidency and ensure that the dignity, access and mobility needs of our people living with disabilities are prioritized and resolved. Thank you.